Thanks everybody for joining us. Once again, this is CommuniTips brought to you by NotaryStars.com. My name is Beth Hathout and I'm joined with Viviano Juarez. He has a little tip for our notary community that has to do with advertising. Go ahead, Viviano.
Hi, again, my name is Viviano. I'm here in Los Angeles. And if you've been in Los Angeles, you know that the traffic is atrocious here. So we're always stopped either at in the highway or on the street lights. And so one day I was thinking, maybe I can use that for my benefit. So what I did was I ordered some card magnets online. And I'm not a designer, so I was lucky that the web site had many notary designs already made. So I was able to choose one, and I was able to put my information, like my phone number, my website. If you have a company name, you can put that on. And I ordered two, one for each door. And so I've been using those whenever I go to signing calls or just general notary work. And I've been lucky because I've been getting calls from not only from neighbors, but from various customers from around the city. So it's been great. And the other thing is that in my city, actually where I live, I don't have a brick and mortar office. And so I can't advertise in my home. So what I do is I park it in front of where I live, and I'm lucky because I have two schools on each side. So there's a lot of traffic that goes through that street. And so they're able to catch my my advertising, call me, and then we go from there. So it's just been great. And it's not expensive. I believe I paid $22 for each sign. And what you can do in most websites, what you can do is if you put in your email, automatically they'll probably give you a discount. So that's a good way to save some money.
Well, sounds like we had my dog barking in the background. So how much, or not how much, but what website did you go to?
I went to Zazzle, that's ZAZZLE.com. And like I said, I've noticed that if you go there, they'll ask you for your email, and right away they'll give you a certain percentage off. Could be 15, it could be 20. It just depends on what mood they're in. But yeah, I would definitely go with Zazzle. I've gone through different types of websites. Some websites you have to be a designer because the magnet is blank, so you're gonna have to do all the work. But like I said, Zazzle already has a lot of notary templates.
That's
on
awesome.
their site.
That's perfect. I used to have those. I originally went to Vistaprint, and I did have to create my own door magnet.
Right.
And I did get calls off of that magnet, and particularly driving down the street or the highway, someone would call and say, hey, are you a notary? And
right.
Why, yes, I am. How did you know? I called your number on your magnet. I'm right next to you in traffic or something like that, which is always pretty interesting. But then, Viviano, I also got those calls that say, hey, one of your vehicles on the road just cut me off in traffic. Oh,
yes.
Kidding. That's that 1-800 how's my driving, right?
Now, I would recommend for those notaries that have printers and very expensive equipment in their trunk. The nice thing about the magnets is you can just peel them out and then put them in your trunk. So that way nobody knows that you're, you never know. They might think that you're carrying expensive equipment. But they're easily removable, and then you can put them back on your door.
Yeah, you want to reduce that chance for smash and grab, right?
Correct.
Plus, you'll get used to taking them off when you're parked for a very long time. So that way you'll remember when you go through the car wash as well.
Yeah, exactly. Because I
Okay.
think last time I lost one, so I had to go back in there and grab it. But yeah, you just got to be careful. But they're
Perfect.
great. They're great.
Perfect, Viviano. Thank you so much for being here today. And thank you
You're
for
welcome.
sharing with our notary community.
You're welcome. Thank you so much for everything.